Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a really exciting one for me because I'm going to be showing you 5 ways to detox your face, hair, and body using bentonite clay. So if you've been with me for a while, you know I absolutely love this stuff. It saved my skin when I was dealing with cystic acne, and I've pretty much been using it ever since. Bentonite clay is known for its ability to absorb and eliminate toxins. So because bentonite clay is negatively charged and most toxins are positively charged, the clay acts like a magnet and binds with bacteria and toxins to draw them out of the body. You know, we come into contact with toxins every single day, through the air that we breathe, to the products that we put on our skin, and of course through the food we eat. So we're constantly being exposed to them, and that's why detoxing our bodies is so important. And this wonderful healing clay is just one of the many ways we can help our bodies do that. A very relaxing way to detox your entire body is to simply take a bath. So in a bowl, I mix half a cup of our star ingredient, which is bentonite clay, and I slowly add in apple cider vinegar until I get a smooth, creamy consistency, or until all the clumps are dissolved. And now comes the fun part. You want to rub this all over your body, just like you would apply a lotion. And I find this is the best way to detox the skin. Rather than simply putting the clay in the bath, you apply it directly to the skin like a body mask and let it work its magic for about 5 to 10 minutes and then move on to the actual bath. And for the bath, I like to add 1 cup of Epsom salt, and I mix it with about 5 drops of lavender essential oil. And Epsom salt is loaded with magnesium, which will also help flush out toxins from our body. So now you can relax and soak for about 20 minutes while the clay and Epsom salt detox your entire body. And be sure to drink plenty of water afterward to replenish your system. Most shampoos and hair products on the market are full of toxic ingredients. And just like clay can help detox the body, it can also help detox chemicals and buildup that's accumulated on the scalp and hair. For this, I like to add half a cup of clay, a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and a few drops of rosemary essential oil. And there's really no nice way of applying mud to your hair, but I find it easier to apply to slightly damp hair. And I just massage this all over the scalp, and this is actually a really great thing to do along with a clay bath for a complete detox from head to toe. So I just work my way down to the ends of my hair, and then I cover it and leave it in for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse and use a natural shampoo and conditioner. The underarm is another area of the body that tends to receive a lot of toxins, especially if you use conventional deodorant that's loaded with chemicals like aluminum, phthalates, and parabens, which go directly into the lymph nodes located beneath the arms. But before making the switch to a natural deodorant, it's a good idea to first detox the armpits. So in a bowl, I add about a tablespoon of bentonite clay and slowly add in water until most of the clumps are dissolved. And I also add a few drops of lemon essential oil, which also has detoxifying properties. And now you can apply this to the underarm area and let it sit for about 10 minutes before washing it off. Use this daily and you'll begin to notice less sweat and less odor. I think our feet have to be one of the most neglected parts of the body. We forget how much they actually do for us, and I think sometimes we don't realize all the stress and tension they carry. And that's why pampering them is always so relaxing. So first, I like to fill a tub with warm water, and to this I add a 1/4 cup of Epsom salt and a few drops of tea tree essential oil. And then I combine 3 tablespoons of clay with a little bit of water, and I keep mixing it until I get a smooth consistency. And then I coat my feet with the clay mixture and leave it on for about 10 minutes before moving on to the actual foot soak. Applying the foot soak beforehand and letting it dry really allows the clay to detox the feet. And then when you move on to the foot soak, the dry clay will slowly dissolve and open up the pores to soak in all the benefits of Epsom salt. It's just a really nice way to detox your feet and relax at the same time. So like I mentioned already, this clay is what really helped me clear my skin. It basically soaks up excess sebum and cleans out clogged pores, and this is also just a really good thing to add to your skincare routine if you wear makeup on a daily basis or if you apply lots of products to your skin. So I mix about a teaspoon of bentonite clay with just enough apple cider vinegar, and I keep adding it until I form this creamy consistency. And then I apply a layer of this all over my face, and I also bring it down to my jawline. And once it starts to dry, you'll begin to feel your face tightening, and in certain areas you might even feel it pulsate. And that's actually one of my favorite things about this mask, is that I can literally see it working. So I leave it on for about 15 minutes, and then I rinse completely with warm water, and then I moisturize. So the truth is, our body is designed to naturally detox on its own, but with the massive amount of toxins we're exposed to on a daily basis, it's important to give the body a little extra help. And using bentonite clay is just one of the many ways we can support the body's natural detox process. So I hope you guys find these tips helpful, and if you did, don't forget to click the like button, and I will see you all in my next video.